Introducing the Tineco Floor 1S5 Combo Power KIT, the 3-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Whether at home or in the office, this device is designed to make cleaning not only easier but smarter and more efficient. Imagine being able to clean both wet and dry messes in one go, effortlessly, knowing that every inch of your floor is perfectly clean. If you have pets, children, or simply like to keep your space spotless, this cleaning solution will quickly become indispensable. Cutting-edge technology for your home. What sets the Floor 1S5 Combo apart from other vacuums is its innovative iLoop smart sensor technology. This revolutionary sensor automatically adjusts suction power, water flow, and brush roller speed based on the mess detected. For example, if you're dealing with a particularly sticky stain, the vacuum will increase its power to clean it thoroughly. This means you don't have to guess which setting to use. The machine does the work for you, ensuring perfect cleaning every time. Not only does this save you time, but it also guarantees that your floors remain spotless, no matter the mess. A versatile device for all cleaning situations. The versatility of the Floor 1S5 Combo Power KIT is another one of its major advantages. It easily converts from a full-size floor vacuum to a compact handheld vacuum, ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach spots like stairs, tight corners, or even the interior of your car. In one device, you get a complete solution for your entire home. You no longer need different tools for each cleaning task. This all-in-one model takes care of everything, from large surfaces to the smallest details. With its iLoop ring technology, which changes color as the surface becomes clean, you'll know exactly when the area is spotless, making the cleaning process even more intuitive. Perfect edge and corner cleaning. Tired of vacuums that leave dirt stuck along baseboards or in corners? The Tineco Floor 1S5 features an enhanced brush head design that offers optimized cleaning of edges and corners. You'll no longer have to go over the same spot multiple times or use a separate tool for these hard-to-reach areas. In one pass, the vacuum captures all the dirt, leaving your floors not only clean but completely dry and streak-free in minutes. This is especially useful in areas where cleanliness is crucial, like the kitchen or spaces where children play. Lightweight and quiet for exceptional user comfort. Weighing less than 9 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, even over long cleaning sessions. You can move effortlessly from room to room, thanks to its self-propelled wheels and pivoting steering. Additionally, its brushless motor and noise-optimized design make it an ultra-quiet machine. No more worrying about disturbing others while cleaning, whether you live in an apartment or have young children. The Floor 1S5 Combo Power KIT allows you to clean in peace, without the stress of loud noise. Easy maintenance, perfect for pet-friendly homes. One of the main challenges for pet owners is dealing with pet hair. The Tineco Floor 1S5 tackles this problem with its pet hair strainer, located in the dirty water tank. It quickly traps hair without you having to touch it. Plus, with its self-cleaning function, the vacuum automatically flushes the internal tubes and brush roller, so you never have to deal with a dirty roller. This is the ideal solution for families with pets, ensuring that your vacuum is always ready for its next use. Our advice and why you should get it now. After exploring all these features, it's clear that the Tineco Floor 1S5 Combo Power KIT is more than just a vacuum. It's a tool that saves you time, maximizes your efforts, and truly enhances your everyday cleaning routine. If you're looking for a solution that combines performance, convenience, and intelligence, this is the device for you. The price may seem high, but when you consider the versatility and advanced features it offers, it's an excellent long-term investment. Whether you have a large household, pets, or simply want to make your cleaning sessions more efficient, this product checks all the boxes. I highly recommend this vacuum to anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine while achieving spotless results. So, don't wait any longer. If you're searching for a cleaning solution that makes your life easier while delivering optimal performance, the Tineco Floor 1S5 Combo Power KIT is for you. Head to the website today to purchase it and enjoy all the benefits. Your floors and your home will thank you.